Exercise 1.4, problem 10, solution. Problem: let A equal to 5, 6, 7, 8 and set B equal to minus 11, 4, 7, minus 7, 7, minus 9, 7, minus 7, minus 9, minus 13, and f the function is defined by is a set of ordered pairs x, y such that y is equal to 3 minus 2x and x element A, y element B. We are asked to write down the elements of f. What is the codomain? What is the range? Identify the type of function. Okay, great. Some of these things you can straight away find. What is the codomain? It's actually set B because it's a function from A to B. Right? See, it says from it's an ordered pair x and y, right? So it is x to y, and x is element of A and y is element of B. So it's a function is defined from A to B as per this equation y is equal to 3 minus 2x. So in such cases, when A to B, B is the codomain. This is domain and this is codomain. And range is part of subset of B, which actually fulfills this functional rule y equal to 3 minus 2x. Okay, so this you can straight away get. And what is the range? Range is for every value of x, right? X is element of A. So for every value, for every element of A, substitute that in y equal to 3 minus 2x and get the values of y and the ordered pair. Okay, and that values of y, the collection of the values of y is a range. So that is also possible to calculate. And once then, okay, by doing all these things, once you have the range, you will be able to write down the ordered pairs. The function is a collection of this ordered pairs. Okay, so then, so that also can be done. And after that, we'll have to check what type of a function is. Right? Anyway, so the first thing is that let's apply the equation y equal to 3 minus 2x, that is f of x equal to 3 minus 2x, okay, for every element of A and get the corresponding value of y, right? So for x is equal to, when x is equal to 5, it is f5, that is 3 minus 2 into 5, 2x, right? So that will be 3 minus 10, that is minus 7. For the next element 6, it is f of 6, and f of 6 is nothing but 3 minus 2x, that is 3 minus 2 into 6. So 3 minus 12, that is equal to 9. Next, we will have to find f of 7 and f of 8. So that is minus 11 and minus 13. Now, you put all this f of x, the values of f of x together, or okay, let's write the ordered pair. So ordered pair is because the first part of the question is asking about listing down the elements of the function f. So f is nothing but a set of ordered pairs such that y equal to 3 minus 2x and x is element of A and y is element of B. So for every element of A, we have found the corresponding value of y which is in B, right? So write those things. So what will happen? So it's x and y. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 7, and minus 7 is here, which is the element of B. So this is okay. So minus 5 minus 7. Next element is 6, f of 6, and the f of 6 is minus 9, and that is also present here. So the ordered pair is 6, comma, minus 9. Next is f7. f7 is minus 11. So this is 7, and minus 11, is it present? Yes, it's present here. So that is also fine. So the ordered pair is 7, comma, minus 11. Next is 8. So 8 is f of 8, that is equal to minus 13, and minus 13 is present in B. So the ordered pair is 8, comma, minus 13. So f is equal to the set of all these ordered pairs. Right? Next, so what is the codomain? Okay. So if you put it in an arrow diagram, which is not asked, but I prefer to put arrow diagram because it makes life much easier. So set A is given here in the first oval, all the elements of set A, and all the elements of set B is given here. And as per this ordered pair, 5 is related, 5 is corresponds, the image of 5 is minus 7, image of 6 is minus 9, image of 7 is minus 11, image of 8 is minus 13. So I have depicted here, 5 is connected to minus 7, 7 is connected to minus 11, 6 is connected to minus 9, 8 is connected to minus 13 as per this ordered pair. So what is the codomain? Codomain is the set B. Its function is all about A to B. This is domain, and the set A is domain, and set B is codomain. So the codomain in this case is set B, which is minus 11, 4, 7, minus 10, minus 7, minus 9, minus 13. And what is range? Range is all the elements of B for which there is a pre-image. Right? So basically wherever it is connected. So in this case it's minus 11, minus 7, minus 9, minus 13, because in all these cases only you have a pre-image of 5, 6, 7, 8. But for all these elements like 4, 7, 7, minus 7, 9, 13, they do not have a pre-image. So only these elements have the pre-image, and that is the range. Okay, in other words, it's all the second elements in the ordered pair. Okay, you can see minus 7, minus 9, minus 11, minus 13. So that's the range. What's the next question? Identify the type of the function. So let's see whether it's a one-to-one function. Is any of these images, okay, do they have two arrows marking? No, it's all, each one has got individual images. So it is a one-to-one function. Okay, in other words, each have more than one, there will be two arrows pointing towards one element of B, but that is not the case. Each and every element, different element of A, have got different images. So it's a one-to-one, or every distinct elements of A have got distinct images, right? So it's a one-to-one function. And next one is, does all the elements of B do they have pre-images? No. 4 and 7, minus 9, minus 13 do not have any pre-images. Here they don't have any arrow pointing towards it. So it's only an one-to-one function, or it is not an on-to function. One-to-one function is also known as an injective function. Okay, so that is how. This arrow diagram is extra which I have done here, but I prefer to do arrow diagram because it makes life little easy, basically to find out what type of a function it is. Okay, so I hope it's clear. If not, please go through one more time, it will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.